The Brother ScanNCut, the Cricut Explore 3, or the Sizzix Big Shot Switch Plus? Perhaps the Silhouette Cameo 4 or the Gemini Electric? Which one should you buy? In this video, we're going to look at the top die-cut machines available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 die-cut machines. The fifth product on this list is the Gemini Electric. Being able to cut various materials into specific shapes and designs for your scrapbook or other arts and crafts isn't the easiest task to do manually. That's where die-cutting machines like the Gemini Electric come into play. As the name suggests, it's an electrically powered die-cutting machine that makes the cutting and shaping process faster and more convenient. One of the standout features of the Gemini Electric is its sleek and low-profile design. It cuts precisely from edge to edge, making it an excellent choice for cutting various materials, including heavyweight cardstock, vinyl, paper, thin metal, foil, and multiple layers of fabric. With its precise cutting capabilities and useful pause, resume, and reverse features, you can effortlessly create intricate shapes and designs. This versatile unit is compatible with a wide range of dies and embossing folders available in the market. You can even use multiple dies simultaneously, catering to the specific needs of your project. Unlike standard die-cutting machines, the Gemini Electric offers a large cutting area, allowing you to create multiple shapes simultaneously. Using it is a breeze thanks to its intuitive controls. You'll find it easy to navigate and operate. What's more, it comes with all the necessary accessories to get you started right away. These include platforms for securely holding dies in place, extended platforms for larger projects, plastic and magnetic shims, a 3D embossing folder, a rubber embossing mat, multimedia metal die, and papercraft metal dies. Experience the joy of effortless and precise cutting and unleash your creativity with this exceptional tool. Its pros are, it uses high pressure to provide clean and precise cuts. The simple operation makes it very user-friendly for all skill levels. And the low-profile design will fit easily in your workspace. However, the plates seem to warp a bit too easily. Scrapbookers or crafters who want a straightforward die-cutting machine that offers precise cutting and is compatible with most embossing folders should consider opting for the Gemini Electric die-cutting machine. Up next in fourth place is the Sizzix Big Shot Switch Plus. While this unit may not be the most modern digital die-cutting machine that allows you to print or emboss designs directly from your smartphone, it remains remarkably user-friendly. Thanks to its automated feeding design and one-touch reverse switch, it effortlessly cuts your die with precision. With its 9-inch opening and full-width sensor, this machine offers versatility. You can conveniently use it with the precision base plate, magnetic platform, and the popular big steel reel dies, as well as multiple cutting pad sizes from Sizzix Technologies. We particularly love its compact and stylish design. It fits nicely into any space and even has a handy compartment to store your essential tools. Plus, the integrated carry handles make it easy to transport when needed. Most importantly, the designs created with this machine come out bold and neat, leaving a lasting impression. No matter what your design project is, this machine comes equipped with cutting pads, a platform, an adapter, and an instruction booklet to help you get the job done with ease. Experience the convenience and creativity of the Sizzix Big Shot Switch Plus. With its user-friendly features, versatility, and impressive results, it's a must-have tool for any design enthusiast. Its pros are, it is very easy to use, even for beginners. It cuts shapes and intricate designs within seconds, and it has a handy storage compartment for your die cutters. However, it can be excruciatingly loud, especially when cutting thin metal. People with impaired fine motor skills or limited mobility will find the intuitive control and automated feeding design of the Sizzix Big Shot Switch Plus a gift that keeps on giving. Still haven't found a die-cut machine that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Silhouette Cameo 4. The Silhouette surpasses the Sizzix and Gemini die-cutting machines in terms of cutting and design versatility. With the Cameo 4, you can unleash your creativity and bring various projects to life using a wide range of materials, including vinyl, cardstock, fabric, and heat transfer material. Using the Silhouette Studio software, you can select digital designs and patterns, and the Cameo 4's small blade will precisely follow the cutting path. The machine also features a convenient built-in roll feeder, enabling quick cutting of vinyl and heat transfer material directly from a roll. The dual carriage system allows you to use two tools simultaneously without the need for manual switching. The intelligent system automatically detects the tool you're using and adjusts the cut settings through the Silhouette Studio software. In addition to its advanced features, the Cameo 4 boosts increased cutting speed, allowing you to complete projects more efficiently. Its improved roller system ensures enhanced precision and stability throughout the cutting process. Unlike its predecessors and many other machines on the market, the Cameo 4 offers a generous cutting width of up to 12 inches and a length of up to 10 feet with a mat. Moreover, it can effortlessly cut materials without a mat in continuous rolls, up to an impressive 60 feet long. With its powerful cutting system and adjustable tool carriage providing 5 kilograms of downforce, you can confidently cut through thicker materials like balsa wood and leather without compromising quality. One standout feature is the autoblade function, which automatically adjusts its depth based on the material you're cutting. This simplifies the setup process and ensures accurate and precise cuts. Additionally, the Cameo 4 is compatible with a wide range of specialty blades and tools, and it even supports the use of pick scan mats for scanning and cutting custom designs. Beyond the basics, the Silhouette Cameo 4 offers advanced capabilities. It is Bluetooth enabled and seamlessly integrates with Silhouette Studio, a user-friendly designed software. With Silhouette Studio, you can create or import designs, manipulate them to your liking, and effortlessly send them to the Cameo 4 for cutting. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this machine will empower you to bring your artistic visions to life with precision and ease. Its pros are, its dual carriage system and auto blade function make it very efficient to use. It can cut different materials, even those with a maximum thickness of up to 1/8 of an inch. And the compatible Studio software provides more design versatility. However, it has a lot of software components that need to be understood to operate the device properly. The powerful and versatile cutting design of the Silhouette Cameo 4 makes it an ideal choice for crafters and DIY enthusiasts looking for a die-cutting machine to create intricate designs and projects. The second product on this list is the Cricut Explore 3. This next unit is an exceptional electronic cutting machine capable of cutting a wide range of materials, including paper, cardstock, vinyl, iron-on, adhesive-backed foil, craft foam, and more. It utilizes a small blade that moves along the cutting path, guided by the digital designs you create using the included software. What sets the Cricut Explore 3 apart from the others is its compatibility with Android, iOS, Mac, and Windows devices. With the cloud-based Design Space app, you have endless design possibilities at your fingertips. This allows you to conveniently customize and personalize your designs directly from your mobile device without the need to start from scratch. You can easily send your creations to the machine for cutting via Bluetooth connectivity. Alternatively, you can print your designs on your home computer and have the machine precisely cut around the printed images. In addition to offering faster and smarter cutting capabilities, we found the Cricut Explore 3 to be practical and convenient for large projects or multiple designs. Remarkably, it can make super long cuts up to 12 feet in length without the need for a mat. Furthermore, the Cricut Explore 3 seamlessly integrates with a variety of Cricut tools and accessories. You can explore different blades tailored for cutting specific materials, utilize a scoring stylus for creating score lines, and even use pens for drawing and writing. This opens up a world of crafting possibilities, allowing you to experiment with different techniques and expand your creative repertoire. With this device, you can experience cutting-edge technology and bring your designs to life with precision and ease. Its pros are, it cuts faster than most of its counterparts. The Design Space app provides endless possibilities for customization, and it can cut over 100 different materials. However, it is pretty bulky, so you'll need some space on your desk to place it. The versatility and user-friendliness of the Cricut Explore 3 make it ideal for crafters and DIY enthusiasts who want to bring their creative ideas to life in the shortest time possible. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top die-cut machine is the Brother ScanNCut. This device revolutionizes the die-cutting machine market by combining the functionality of a scanner and a cutting machine in one remarkable product. Be prepared to be impressed, as this cutting-edge machine features a built-in scanner that effortlessly transforms your images, photos, or hand-drawn designs into digital files ready for editing or cutting. In terms of versatility, the Brother ScanNCut surpasses the Cricut Explore 3. With a library of over 682 built-in designs, including 100 quilting patterns and 9 fonts, the creative possibilities are endless. Imagine the customization flexibility at your fingertips. Even better, you get the convenience of editing directly on its built-in 5-inch LCD screen. No need to connect or pair with external devices. Everything you need is right there. Precision is the name of the game with the ScanNCut. It flawlessly follows the outlines of your scanned image or preloaded design, ensuring precise cuts every time. The machine utilizes a small blade capable of cutting a wide range of materials, such as paper, cardstock, fabric, vinyl, heat transfer material, and more. Whether you prefer to save your designs on the machine or transfer them wirelessly to your device, the ScanNCut offers practicality at every step. You'll even find a USB port for direct import of designs or software updates, keeping you at the forefront of innovation. Similar to the Silhouette Cameo 4, the ScanNCut employs an auto blade that effortlessly detects the thickness of the material, allowing it to flawlessly cut materials up to 1/8 of an inch thick on its generous 11.7-inch scanning and cutting area. What's more, to further expand your creative possibilities, Brother includes a range of additional tools and accessories in the package, such as different blades for various materials, adhesive craft mats, fabric support sheets, and more. Get ready to elevate your crafting game with the unrivaled performance of the Brother ScanNCut. With its cutting-edge features, unmatched versatility, and precision cutting capabilities, this machine is the epitome of excellence in the world of die cutting. Its pros are, it is both a scanning and die-cutting machine. Editing is easy and fast on the built-in LCD screen. It is straightforward to transfer designs between the machine and your mobile devices, and the auto blade automatically detects the thickness of the material and adjusts for precise cutting. However, it doesn't come with clear instructions about how the machine works, so you'll probably need to watch a couple of online videos. The unique combination of scanning and cutting capabilities in the Brother ScanNCut die-cutting machine makes it a versatile tool for beginners and experienced crafters who want to create personalized and intricate designs with ease. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.